IPL matches in Bangalore. And of course, the Justice Kunna had given a report regarding the stampede which happened in the month of April. Now those recommendations have been although not fully, but they have been implemented. There are three categories of recommendations. One is the short term, immediately what they have to do. The second one was a medium one, which like gates, parking lot, health department, ambulances, and these kind of things. And the long term one was the infrastructure. So all these on a timeline they have given us a commitment, and government has accepted those commitments and given them in principle permission to conduct IPL matches. Definitely they have to take, and we also, the police department also will take necessary steps before the matches. And we have also constituted a committee, high power committee, headed by the GBA Chief Commissioner, Sri Maheshwar Rao, and our police commissioner, and all the departments which are related, health department, PWD department, fire department, all those people also certify that matches can be safely conducted. So these are the steps which we have taken, and the cabinet has considered all this and taken a decision.